In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into one of the most beloved sneakers of all time, the Nike Panda Dunks. From sneakerheads to casuals, these shoes have captured the hearts of millions. So we're going to explore the history and design of the Nike Panda Dunks and explain why they're loved by everyone. First off, let's talk about the design of the shoe. The Nike Panda Dunks feature a black and white colorway that resembles the fur of a panda, hence the name. This design is simple yet striking, and it's one of the reasons why these shoes are so iconic. But the design of the shoes isn't the only reason why people love them. The Nike Panda Dunks were first released in 2008 as part of the Nike SB line, which is a collection of sneakers designed for skateboarding. These sneakers quickly became a must-have for skaters and sneakerheads alike. Aside from the quality and comfort, the Nike Panda Dunks have also become a symbol of style and fashion. The Panda Dunks are likely the most popular sneaker of 2021 and 2022. They're versatile and can be worn with almost any outfit, from jeans and t-shirts to dresses and skirts. The shoes have also become a cult favorite among sneaker enthusiasts, making them highly sought after. Whether you're skating, hanging out with friends, or just running errands, these shoes will elevate any outfit. While most argue that it's the best shoe, there is an argument that it is overrated. Due to the material's perceived low quality, easy accessibility, and general basic character of the color scheme, many collectors despise the Panda Dunks.
What?
In summary, calling it a lazy design, because instead of making a new color wave, they just overproduce the same shoe. It's been said that they are also made cheaply. The leather creases fast and wears down after just wearing them a few times. But the biggest factor is that they are hard to come by. Even though they are super simple and restock very often, they sell out instantly. And if anyone who isn't a big sneakerhead wants to buy some, they most likely have to buy them from a reseller who triples the price of the shoe. Yes, they are widely available in the market today, but mostly in online shops and resale platforms like StockX. But be prepared to pay a premium price for these shoes, as they are always sought after and can be overpriced. But if you're interested in getting a pair of Nike Panda Dunks for yourself right now, you'll be happy to know that they always restock on the Nike app. So log in every so often to see when they drop. And if black and white isn't your thing, don't worry. The Nike Dunks come in a variety of different colors, including blue, purple, and green. So you can find a pair that fits your style perfectly. But don't just take my word for it. The Nike Panda Dunks have been spotted on everyone from professional athletes to celebrities. The Nike Panda Dunks, the beloved sneakers that have captured the hearts of millions. With their timeless design and versatility, it's no wonder why these shoes are so loved by everyone. Whether you're a sneakerhead or just someone who appreciates a good pair of shoes, the Nike Panda Dunks are definitely worth checking out. And that's it for today's video.